Mrs. Mowry, and this is K5 News for the week of September 28th to October 2nd. This week for lunch, stop by a school lunch pickup site to enjoy some delicious food. Check out the school lunch menu on the VPS district website. Can't make it to a school lunch site? Then grab a lunch from Compass Church. No matter where your lunch comes from though, you can enjoy some lunchtime conversation with your grade level peers during your designated cafeteria hangout Zoom. Enjoy! If you're wondering what to do after school each day, check out these great Zoom options from the Hough Foundation. Music, garden club, arts, band, and ukulele? Sign up soon. Classes start November 2nd. This week, happy birthday to the following students and staff.
Hello, Hawks. It's Mr. Hofarth, your associate principal, and I've got with me Mrs. Graham, your new principal. I wanted to talk to you today about the construction and what's going on at our lovely building. The construction has progressed nicely. Teachers are moving into their classrooms. The classrooms are coming alive with decorations and desks, and teachers are getting ready for you, and they cannot wait. I couldn't be happier with the progress that our crews have made, and we're so excited to have you back in our building.
Boys and girls, I just wanted to say I'm in my office at Hough, and I am really excited to be here. But to go along with that, Picture Day on I think it was October 6th, has now been canceled. So please keep your ears and eyes posted for what could be coming in the near future, another Picture Day rescheduled.
Hawks, I was taking a look at our iReady information, and it looks like a lot of you have completed both your math and your ELA. I'm so proud of you and how much work you put into that. And I know that wasn't easy at home, but Mrs. Graham and I are so proud of you. If you're not finished yet, we're going to schedule some makeup. So our teachers or myself or Mrs. Graham are going to help you out with getting that made up. Great job, Hawks.
Nice work. And to go along with that, I was able to pop into a lot of classrooms this past week, and I found a couple of superstar listeners. The first superstar listener that I saw was 4th grade, and the name was Alexander from Miss Peachy's class. The other name is 5th grade, Vivian from Miss Chow's class. Nice job, boys and girls.
Great job. Families, we have scheduled curriculum night for September 30th. You should be getting a link to a video from your child's teacher.
And boys and girls, this is exciting for me. We are starting our mileage club this week. So start tracking in those miles. Remember, you're competing against me, and I'm about in the range of 100 to 130 miles a month. So please try to do your best, but don't run out of air when you're running, okay? So anyhow, I'm really excited to see how you guys progress through that. I will keep up a daily record, and every announcement, I will let you know where I'm at on my mileage for the month. Along with that, we have our Success Assembly on September 30th, which is a Wednesday at 8:45 a.m. Your teacher will send you the link to that assembly.
Can't wait to celebrate your success, Hawks. Can you believe it's the fifth week of school?
I cannot believe it. It is flying.
I can't either. It is going really fast. I think time goes by fast when you're learning a lot.
All right, Hawks. You have a great rest of week, and we look forward to seeing you next Monday. Have a great week.
As you heard from Mrs. Graham, Mileage Club is starting this week. Mileage Club is a walking, running program we have at Hough that encourages exercise, which is not only good for the body, but also good for the mind. This program is optional, and whenever you participate, simply fill out the Google form that is linked on the announcement site. You can submit the form after each walk or run, Or keep track of your distance and submit it once a week or even once a month. Whenever you submit your distance, I will update your Mileage Club account. Everyone has an account and everyone is welcome to participate. If you're not sure how far you've gone, there are lots of online websites that allow you to track your route. Now, get out there and have fun. On the announcement site, you can also start submitting jokes for our weekly joke segment. Just make sure to get your parents' permission first. Everything you need to know can be found there. Here's a reminder from our PTSA about our Payback fundraiser.
To purchase the new 2021 Payback book, simply go to www.paybackbook.com. Click on Purchase a 2021 Payback book and select Referred by a School or Group. Click here. The new Payback book will be shipped directly to the address the buyer enters. Shipping cost is a flat rate of $4.99, no matter the number of books purchased. So if you'd like, you can place a bulk order and just pay $4.99 for shipping. So how does Hough get the credit for the sale? When the buyer clicks Referred by a School or Group, they just select Hough from the list. People can also click on Student Name and enter the name of the student they wish to give credit to for the sale. Lastly, student prizes. For every 5 Payback books a student or their family sells, they earn a $5 Amazon gift card. And best part, there's no limit. So if you sell 30 Payback books, you'll receive a $30 Amazon gift card. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us at houghptsa@gmail.com and we'll get right back to you. Thank you so much, Hough Hawks, and have an awesome week.
Don't forget to wear your grade level colors to our Success Assembly this Wednesday. I'm looking forward to seeing you all online. Have a great week, Hawks. Stay safe.
Up and down the stairs or when we wait our turn, or keep our hands to ourselves, we all can learn to keep each other safe. We gotta use our heads, don't run around in the hall, you gotta walk instead. Safety starts with you and me. We learn better when we're safe, you see. School is more fun when everyone uses safety first. Yeah, safety first. Safety starts with you and me. We learn better when we're safe, you see. School is more fun when everyone uses safety first. Yeah, safety first.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.